My garden seem to think it's still differently by the end of the weekend. We've got some very cold weather on the way. It's already bitterly cold across many parts of the continent, -12 in fact in Moscow at the moment, and that cold air is going to try and come our way. Now the North Sea will take some of the sting out of it, but even so it is going to feel much colder than we've been used to just recently, particularly by the time we get through to Sunday. And yes, it could actually be cold enough for a bit of snow. Not a great deal we don't think at the moment, but through Saturday night into Sunday, even places like the Chilterns and the Downs could see a little covering come Sunday morning. At the moment, well, we're just starting to feel that chill now in the wind across southeastern parts, East Anglia into the southeast of England. Temperatures generally this afternoon, so fairly near average for this time of the year, but there is a lot of cloud around, so it's not feeling terribly pleasant out there. Some showery outbreaks of rain continuing through eastern Scotland, down the eastern side of England, and some of those showers, which are on the heavy side now and again, feeding down through the Midlands and into the Pennine regions too. But further west, that's the best chance of staying bright. Parts of Northern Ireland, we've lost the fog now just about, and the west of Wales, perhaps the southwest of England, Cornwall particularly, catching some glimpses of the sun. But lots of cloud around through tonight, and as that spreads in across Northern Ireland, it lessens the risk of fog. I think only patchy mist here through the latter part of the night, but you'll notice the clouds thickening, so by the morning, perhaps more in the way of those outbreaks of rain beginning to push in across eastern parts. The plus side of all that cloud, though, means that frost is unlikely for most of us. Again, perhaps just a touch across Northern Ireland, some of the Scottish Highlands come the end of the night. The thing you're really going to notice this weekend, though, is that raw easterly wind. It's going to be picking up all the while, and that's going to be with us right into next week as well. So those temperatures on a downward trend. London, Birmingham, you can see just 3 or 4 degrees by Sunday. York as well, seeing those temperatures on the way down, and the showers by then beginning to turn rather wintry. That's what the thermometer is going to say, 3, 4, 5 degrees. This is what it's going to feel like in that wind. Wind chill factor making it feel more like -4 or -5 in places. And those showers through the day on Saturday turning increasingly wintry across higher ground across some eastern parts. But again, western areas faring better. Western Scotland, the west of Wales, perhaps northwest England and Northern Ireland, generally dry and some brightness coming through. Let's say Saturday night into Sunday looks like the time we start to get some snow, and then that wintry weather continuing across many eastern areas right through into the early part of next week. No sign of any major change for a good 5 or 6 days. Back to you, Darren.
Peter, thank you.